wave rock, which we wanted to see for quite some time now. It's about 2.5 hours from Ravensthorpe, going north inland. We stopped in Ravensthorpe just briefly. It's a little town, but I had some art supplies that I'd ordered on the internet to collect from the post office. Other than that, it's a nice little town, good for RVs if you ever go through there. And now we're going out on the way to see the wave rock. We're super excited. This incredible rock is 15 meters from the ground and more than 100 meters long. It looks like a giant surf wave of multicolored granite about to crash. And what's even crazier that it's believed this amazing formation was more than 2,700 million years in the making. It's not even possible to imagine that. I'm on top of the wave rock now. Of course I didn't climb up that steep hill, silly people. Now there's a little path around, but I'm still puffed because it is steep, but kind of a nice view from here. We're now on the way to see hippos yawn. Apparently rocks that look like hippos yawning, so we'll find out if they do look like that or not. And how long is it, Pete? What did you say?
I think 2.5 k's to get there, or loop.
25 minutes for people with no dogs?
And an hour with someone like Elliot.
Because he won't stop sniffing. It rained recently and his senses are really heightened, I think, so he just won't stop.
So we just walked up a little incline on the way that hippos yawn, and that wave rock is over there somewhere.
We're still on it. It just expands really far behind. What you see, the vertical part, that's only one part of it. It's actually a massive mountain. We continued on our merry way towards Esperance, traveling through amazing fields of canola. They are just like big blasts of sunshine. Hello friends! We just got to Esperance and guess what? There's another pink lake. Yeah, another one. Let's go and see it. Well, I wouldn't say it's a pink lake, at least not today. It's pretty blue. This sign tells us that the increasing high concentration of salt and decrease in water levels from evaporation during summer is the reason of the pink hue. But it's not so pink anymore because of commercial salt mining and fresh water entering the system. You guys, this is amazing and it's so beautiful, isn't it?
It's really blue, it's amazing.
Ah, look at this. How we're lucky to live on this beautiful planet. Wow, Esperance does not disappoint. The water is so turquoise and clear, so stunning.